And how many have you put on?
1, 2.
2?
Mm-hmm. They're Angry Bird ones. And just have to make sure you won't get blood. And, see, Mama, I don't know how to get down.
Yeah, how'd you get up?
Well, would you get me down? I have one on my arm and one on my leg. And they hurt. And I have a bruise right here on my arm and on my back, on my knee too. And would you get me down, please? And put your phone down, please.
I don't know. I think it's kind of funny that you're up there.
But can I touch the light?
Not unless you want to get burned.
Mama, would you get me down, please?
I think you can get yourself down. You got yourself up.
No, it's too far way down. And this is a starfish. It comes from the beach.